Manny Pacquiao Jr.
A look at our starters brought to us by Doray, the official basketball of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Miranda, Mangubat, Alfanta, Panapanaan, and Masiglat, the 5 para sa Batang Abra Weavers Slamtex. Pasig naman has Hinogin, Castro, Podador, De La Rama, and Malaga to round out their 5. Down by Mangubat. As Alfanta with him, gets it to Mac for the finish and the first 2 points of the ball game.
Batang Abra Weavers outside, but this is that fast break from Lawrence Mangubat to Max Alfanta. I think that's gonna be the easiest. Kahit sinong player ilagay mo, depende na lang sa matchup eh. Yun na lang ang problema ni Coach Denok Miranda.
Speaking of matchups, Mac Alfanta, certainly a matchup problem para sa Podador. Great save. They go outside to Moctimar. Another 3. Finally, one falling para sa Pasig.
And for Pasig capacity, even if they missed.
Hand off to Alfanta. That 100's just so deadly, Renzo.
What about Mac? Sa kanya nang galing.
Indeed, all 6. Courtesy of Mac Alfanta. Podador knocks down back-to-back triples para sa Pasig Timothy's.
And this is very interesting time. But this is that 3-pointer from Podador.
That basket ties us up at 6 apiece. Dalo yung program sa ating 18 under naman. 3 for a 3. Mangubat splashes it from the right wing.
And this is the national final. Lawrence Mangubat, hindi ka pwedeng umasa na bibigyan ka ng tawag ng referee doon sa mga illegal screens.
De La Rama getting his first
Backdoor from Hinogin.
Podador muscling his way inside for another 2. That's 5 now for Podador.
What about Podador? Recognize dito kaya Jimir Eligado. That's that move by Podador against Ivan Panapanaan.
The shooter though para sa Pasig Timothy's.
So Gaitos is a streaky shooter, no? So he only needs one and he's gonna get it. Itong si John.
Eligado susubukan bumawi. Muscling his way inside against Malaga. Nakita rin, kaya ko rin naman. He has the numbers. Floats it up and in plus the foul.
What about Jidlok Sin? Living lane para sa kanya. Pound for pound fitness foul counted for Jidlok Sin.
And this is one player, Renzo, that in on powers his way inside against Garupil and J. Mark Lloren. And this is also one player, Renzo, na alam natin. This was the move from J. Mark earlier. And certainly, Garupil, hirap din. Hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin.
Pasig Timothy's right now talagang they're just going strong every time. And speaking about going strong, Justin Lozano gets. But ito na naman yung Batang Abra Weavers running on the other side. And Justin Lozano getting the
number 1 ng ating national finals, giving us this move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. B-Liga ready. How much balance?
Whenever they need a basket, they just put him in and he's gonna deliver most of the time.
So 2 seconds. Herrera would have counted if it went in. Ating unang yugto, it's 20-14. Batang Abra Weavers Slamtex up by 6. Long rebound track down by Lozano. Decides to pull up for himself. Short. Herrera gives Abra another offensive rebound. Still no go. Nakakarami ng offensive rebounds ito ang Batang Abra, Renzo.
Well, first, for Pasig Timothy,
nagpabalasa kagad dito si Coach J. Cruz to begin the second. As Herrera knocks. Drexila nandito rin sa ating venue.
Play.
Lozano gets it to Garupil through the middle for 2.
And again, dito pinaka nakakatakot ang Batang J. Mark Lloren. So you have to let him play.
Garupil for 3. Knocks it down. The feed from Lawrence Mangubat. And that team, take another look at that assist from Lawrence Mangubat.
And again, Lawrence Mangubat just knows what's happening. Alam niya talaga every situation. So you can
see him on the right side after another offensive rebound given up here. And Garupil hitting on the other wing naman. That's really gotta hurt.
Rebound Hindi na naka-ready yung defense mo So yung schemes mo, most probably hindi yan nakahanda But Juniel De La Rama finding Alfo.
Dito sa ating second quarter. Mangubat. Pull up. Deadly. And 17 points. This was the Mangubat jumper earlier. Giving us that Argent de la Cruz celebration. And Mac Alfanta also showing us the touch. 17. Malaga kontra Gomez. Has played well, talking about 30, and continues to play well with that end one.
Batang Abra Weavers yung poste kay 3D Malaga. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted for 3D Malaga.
This is third point of the pass stolen away by Alforque. He might slam this home. Layup lang. Ayaw tayong pagbigyan. To call for a timeout. This was a steal from Arwin Alforque. Mahabang galamay. And completes it on the other end. 34-20. Shot clock is down to 8. Spins off Moctimar. Still finishes despite the contact.
And if you're Norben Moctemar, you can... This is that move by Lawrence Mangubat. And again, Norben Moctemar, binigay niya yung to help out.
Long two for Alforque, almost beating the clock. Rebound battle. The turnaround gets it to go. That's CJ Alfanta. Shot too strong. Para for the board. Makukuha na naman ng Batang Abra Weavers. Mangubat. Nasabitan from behind by Moctimar. Ooh, clutching onto his right ankle. Certainly
Assists in this game.
Locsin, mabibigat din. More than their players, even their coaches have a wealth of experience. Locsin will slow it down. Haya for Panapanaan for the easy bucket.
And na-late ng pagbaba, Ivan Panapanaan.
Malaga attacking masiglat. The turnaround. And he gets the bounce.
That's another basket for...
And recovers outside to Miranda. They go to Masiglat against De La Rama. Goes reverse for the bucket.
What a move by Masiglat. Big para sa'yo.
So the move by Lawrence Masiglat kanina, and that was Junior De La Rama na natakasan niya.
Oh, a very smart move by na yun. That led to 44 shots already para sa Batang Abra Weavers. One big reason why they up big in this first half.
That three-pointer will miss just before the end of our first half. Tandang bumibitaw ang Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex dito. 42-26 at the half. 20 more minutes of action dito sa ating Game 1 sa aming pagbabalik.
A home run shot. Kailangan nila unti-untiin to.
The layup won't fall for Miranda, but an offensive goaltending, or defensive goaltending rather.
Wing Miranda missed that layup. Again, with that violation of Hinogin. Counted yung basket na yun.
Malaga once again, scoring underneath.
Isip na siya eh. And merong mga coaches na sinasabi na pag nagdalawang isip ka na, huwag mo nang itira.
Lozano, hindi na nagdalawang isip. Getting that triple, his second.
This guy, just very consistent. Shooting those outside shots para sa Batang Abra Weavers.
Naskora naman siya ni Norben Moctimar with that end one. And this is one player na Podador lost the leather. Takbo tayo sa kabila, a 3-on-1. Eligado all alone for the easy two.
And again, kailangan makontrol nila ng konti yung kanilang offense.
No look inside. Malaga, excellent fake and the bucket.
And those are the plays na kailangan ng...
Panapanaan, picks up his dribble. Eligado from the elbow.
And that's too easy.
Trying to get it to Malaga. It's the deck. Another turnover para sa Pasig. We have the numbers. Lozano through the middle for the finger roll.
And
Certainly yung impact nitong yun. And trying to save that basketball. Had the presence of mind to still kick it out to a teammate. Pero yun nga, immediately after. Eligado ahead to Herrera. Gets the layup to fall plus the foul.
And it leads to an easy basket by Herrera.
Naman yung pasa ni Eligado, your big man.
Just na rin kasi yung Batang Abra Weavers on that action. So, hindi na rin ganun kadali. But Russell Bayani getting an offensive rebound and the floater to go.
Here in the third. Herrera goes to Eligado. Another jumper. A soft touch para kay Jamir. Off on the attempt was Garupil. Yet another offensive rebound para sa Batang Abra as Mejia making up for that turnover earlier, getting his first lead up to 23 now, 59-36. Final 30 seconds. Here's the third. Give and go. Bayani with a scoop.
Again, when you give the ball to 3D Malaga.
Clock is off. Time down to 7. Miranda. Off the spin. Look at that move. Everything but the shot. Another opportunity. Gomez! Sorry, miss. Just before the end of the third period. Gandang hanap na sana from Garupit. Down by 21 points though itong Pasig Timothy's 59-38 to enter the fourth period.
Malaking number nun. 21 attempts, only making 2.
They set up Alfanta from the corner. Mac Alfanta.
But again, ang dami nilang kayang gawin eh. They can get 2 points as you see this 3-pointer from Hinogin. Badly needed para sa kanya.
Turns it over. Hinogin on the attack. Challenges Lozano. Gets Leah Bounce for the finish.
What about Hinogin? No? Look, effort nila on defense, nandyan talaga. But again, the problem is here on the offensive side.
Not a problem that time though. Podador making this an 8-0 run na para sa Pasig.
Have to take it.
Miranda lays it up with the left.
Well, Dwayne Miranda just knows what to do.
Loren on the move. Couldn't get it to drop, but a foul will be whistled. Practice time para dito sa Pasig. Parang hindi din pa nakukumpleto, I guess, yung chemistry that they want to kasama nila dito sa game number 1.
And that's a big challenge for Coach Jay Cruz.
Contra De La Rama. He will be fouled. 2 free throws coming up para kay Harry Herrera. 1 of 2 for Herrera.
Ano rin eh, sa sobrang ganda rin ng nilaro mo the entire game eh.
For the door for another 3. Gets his third of the ball game.
Also, no, for Pasig Timothy's.
So the usual suspects, Renzo, in terms of the offense itong Pasig Timothy's. Muktimar as well. And Ju Hinogin. So parang sabay-sabay. We run to the other end. Hinogin. Attacks Roxin. Gets fouled and scores. First has 7 points. Dito sa ating payoff period. And that's a Ju Hinogin we know, Ren.
Ito, but again, itong Batang Abra Weavers magpe-prepare para sa kanya. So Hinogin has to find a way. Hindi siya pwedeng...
Offensive rebound. Ball is loose. Picked up by Loren. But he turns it over trying to get the ball back. Herrera says, let's slow it down. Shot clock is down to 4 though. Alfanta to Herrera for 3. That just might be the dagger para sa Batang Abra Weavers Slamtex.
Big shot para dito kay Harry Herrera.
Just 10 points off the bench. Luxin escapes Loren for the bucket.
What about Jed Luxin?
Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL D-League season number 2.
But this is a series, no? National Finals is a series. So Pasig Timothy's still has a chance to adjust a little bit, make the necessary adjustments para sa game number 2. But for Batang Abra Weavers, this is just a great game para sa kanila.
But even when Pasig Timothy's made that run in that fourth period, yeah, talagang laki na nung puhunan na binaon ng Batang Abra for the first 3 quarters. Our final score will be 72-56. Game 1 goes to the Kings of the North, the Batang Abra Weavers Slamtex.